Okay, hello YouTube. Now I'm going to be talking again about the system exclusive traffic, or the wholesale premium traffic that I've been promoting and sharing with you guys. But in this video, I'm going to be talking more about what I'm going to be demonstrating how easy it is to set this up. Okay, if you're a complete newbie, or even if you're an advanced user and you need traffic and you want to get some signups into your primary business, follow on screen and I'll show you exactly how to get this traffic running. It really is on tap and on demand traffic. If you struggle in building a team, if you've been struggling in building an online business, working from home and building a team, this is great traffic. Really passive, hands free. So as you can see, I've been generating commissions and from this traffic, but also this traffic has been giving me a huge number of leads. Okay, so as you can see in multiple lists within my leads leap in Mega Marketing Pro, I've been getting a huge number of leads from this system exclusive traffic, which is the source code that I've been tracking. Okay, if you look at Warrior Cloud, this is the system exclusive traffic. Okay, it's also called wholesale premium traffic. So both these names, represent the same traffic here. So I've been tracking this on multiple lists, including this one as well. If I just drop down that and just show you all the tracking that's been coming in from this. And also I've been getting signups. So Edward, you enrolled a new customer into My Daily Choice, new affiliate. So customers, I mean, this was today, yesterday, 3 yesterday. Affiliates, not all of them. I mean, we're talking 90% of all these are basically coming from the same traffic. And in all honesty, I'm not really promoting MDC, like aggressively as such. In fact, I don't really have time to promote anything aggressively. MDC is my one of my number one businesses, including 3 others. But MDC really plays an important role in my online journey and making money. So as you can see, I mean, we're still in December here. So, I've had so many signups into My Daily Choice business, and also in November. Now, a lot of these are coming from this particular traffic, not all of it, but I've got pop-up windows, I've got exit pop-ups on a number of different lead capture pages that I've created. I've got these going out on exchanges, traffic exchanges as well, but a large percentage of this traffic is really coming in from system exclusive traffic. This is the web page I'm going to be promoting. So I'm going to just walk you through how to set this up. So if you go into Mega Marketing Pro, or you can just simply click the link below, and then you can just grab the link directly to this wholesale traffic here. But inside Mega Marketing Pro, if you go on to step 2, okay, just showing you where it is, it's right at the top here, the wholesale premium traffic. Click here and you'll get to it. The same link I'm going to put in the below this video. I'm going to go down and I'm going to show you how reasonable this traffic is. You can get this quality traffic for as little as $48. The unique clicks is very good. 100% tier 1 option is also good. It just simply means you're going to guarantee, well, pretty much guarantee you're going to get English speakers, certainly, targeting the English speaking world, Australia, America, England, that kind of thing. But unique clicks, you're more than likely going to get English speakers anyway, various parts of the world. So, I've been going for the $48. For the unique clicks. My last package that I purchased was $230. Actually, today I'm going to just purchase the 500 package because, I've been getting commissions coming in to my Warrior Plus. I've currently got $137 in my back office in the form of commissions. Okay, so I'm just going to use some of that. All right, I'm going to use some of that to purchase traffic, and I'm going to show you how simple it is. So, obviously, I'm going to go for the 500. I'm just going to go for the 100% tier 1 this time. Actually, no, I'm not going to be able to do that. Not with the commissions that I got. Hold on a minute. I got 137, so that's all right. I could just wait for the pending to be. I'm just going to show you how great this traffic is and how easy it is to set it up. Obviously it's not instant. I'm just going to, yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to go for the unique clicks. I'm just going to go buy now. Just waiting for the page to load. Check this box, put your name in there. I'm already logged into Warrior Plus, and I'm not going to use a credit card this time. I'm going to simply use my wallet, built into Warrior Plus. I'm just going to pay for that. And it says, yep, I'm going to charge that. We're processing your order. And then I'm going to simply, it just shows you the information there. I'm going to go to the next page, access my purchase, and it's going to bring me up a form. Okay, so it's got my information already in there. Best contact email, my name, obviously, payment receipt. It's just sent me an email, so I'm just going to open up. Hold on a minute. Let me just open up. Okay, there's the email. I'm going to just grab the payment receipt. I'm just going to put the whole thing there and then copy it. What I purchased was 500 clicks package. Okay. And this time it's memorized my lead capture page that I did last time, but I'm going to do this page now. Now, obviously, this is a leads lead page that a funnel that I'm using. Okay, I've given out a lot of funnels. So inside Mega Marketing Pro, you'll get share codes and stuff. So that's easy. Just going to go back to where I was, and then I'm going to paste that in there. But at the end of the lead capture page, we can also type whatever we want as a kind of a tracking label. Okay, and I'm going to put wholesale premium traffic. I'm just going to put 2 at the end of that because I've been doing multiple, loads of but this is actually the second time with this particular label. So it's going to show up in my tracking. Stats URL, you don't need to do that unless it's applicable. It's up to you. Email swipes, no, they're going to do that for me, and then that's done. So all I do is I submit that. And the wholesale premium premium system will take it from there. Okay, and they're going to say, they're saying thank you. Your order will be processed within 12 to 48 hours. I found it a lot quicker than that. I've been quite surprised and quite pleasantly surprised by their speed and their professionalism and their kind, helpful and support. So I highly recommend this. I've already proven to you guys multiple videos that this traffic works. No traffic is guaranteed. Just, let me do a little disclaimer here. No traffic is guaranteed. Don't expect instant results necessarily. But, with this traffic, I found great results, just what I needed, because my expectations from any traffic, guys, I've been doing this for absolutely years and years. I know what to expect from quality traffic. People think that they're going to get instant sales straight off the bat. The first time that they do this is an ongoing. This is ongoing. You need to be doing this regularly. You need to be purchasing ongoing traffic, and simply getting leads is enough. Okay, but if you do get sales, that's just a bonus, in my opinion. But sales do come over time. It can take a long time. But, once you start getting leads, it's really over to you. It depends on whether you decide to follow up with those people. And the more you do in terms of following up, reaching out and nurturing your list as they get onto your list, the more likely you're going to have success. Don't rely 100% on the solo ads. And people always blame solo ad vendors, saying that, oh, I didn't get any sales. And they automatically assume that the service is bad. Not necessarily. Yes, it can be, but not necessarily. It just simply means that it might also mean that, you need to take over and start communicating with your leads list. That's the whole point of generating leads. What's the point in, collecting leads if you're not going to ever, build up that know, like, and trust and converting them into a warm market, into a warm set of leads lists. Once they come onto your mailing list, what you need to do from that point is, for me personally, I'm also, guilty of this, but the great thing about Leads Leap is that when you're building a Leads Leap list, you need to broadcast. You need to send out broadcasts periodically. And when you do send a broadcast to your list, you need to bear in mind that the great and unique thing about Leads Leap is you can also check the inactive subscribers. Okay. And also you can also check this box where it says unverified subscribers. So any subscribers that are unverified, a pro member can send out up to 4 broadcasts. And what will happen is that if they click a link or if they view your email, they're automatically going to become verified because they're taking an interest, they're taking action. Okay, so Leads Leap will automatically verify them. So that's another way to do that. You're going to get quality leads. And the reason why they become unverified is because there's double opt-in. People think that the difference between double opt-in and single opt-in is that they think that single opt-in is actually better. Not necessarily. Your double opt-in means you're going to get far better quality leads. Number one. And number two, once they're on your list, and even though they might be inactive, you can still broadcast. And if you're a pro member, you can send out broadcasts to inactive members for up to 4 times a month. I think it's 4 times a month. It might be 4 times total. I don't know. But it's good enough. It's whatever it is, it's enough. And you can send out those broadcasts. And if those inactive leads decide to click or view that email or click a link in that email or whatever, they instantly automatically become a verified lead on your list. So that's something you should do. I admit I've been lazy and I haven't done enough broadcasting, but I should. But shame on me. But at the end of the day, it's my spending that I might be wasting if I don't do that. So each to you guys. I mean, if you guys spend a little bit more time taking care and doing a little bit extra and going the extra mile in your marketing, you're gonna win with this. So do whatever you can do. The more you do, the more likely you're going to win with this. So do it. All right. So anyway, just wanted to make sure that was clear. So go through this, get yourself set up, and purchase your wholesale premium traffic, and make sure you're tracking all this as well. That's very important. Make sure you set up some tracking. Okay. On your bridge page. This is a brand new page I've set up specific for this campaign because I really want to track it in detail. And I'm going to do another video in several days from now. And we're going to see some differences in the tracking. I'm going to be able to prove to you my, conversion A, conversion B, did they opt in, and so on. So for the price I paid, I think we're going to see some good results, and I'm going to prove that to you, one way or another, either way. So let's see. I'm going to do another video in a couple of days, or 2 or 3, 4, 5 days, or however long it takes. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and chat soon. Bye for now.